Ever wondered how the DJI Mini 4 Pro could enhance your drone experience? DJI, a global leader in drone technology, has introduced its most advanced mini drone yet, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. This game-changer boasts superior camera capabilities and an impressive maximum flight range, setting it head and shoulders above its predecessor. But that's not all. The Mini 4 Pro is equipped with omnidirectional obstacle sensing and DJI's flagship O4 video streaming technology. Let's delve deeper into the world of DJI Mini 4 Pro and discover its unique features. What makes the DJI Mini 4 Pro stand out in the drone market? Let's explore. One of the defining features of the DJI Mini 4 Pro is its omnidirectional obstacle recognition. This advanced technology ensures safe flights by detecting obstacles in every direction. It's like having an extra set of eyes in the sky, providing a safer flying experience. But the DJI Mini 4 Pro doesn't stop there. It's equipped with DJI's flagship video transmission technology, DJI O4. This means improved video quality and stability, allowing you to capture breathtaking footage with precision and clarity. The Mini 4 Pro also boasts compatibility with the latest DJI remote controls, DJI 2 and DJI RCM2, broadening your control options and enhancing your flying experience. When it comes to flight time, the DJI Mini 4 Pro holds its own, even when compared to its less expensive sibling, the Mini 3. This drone can stay airborne for a considerable amount of time, allowing you to capture more of those stunning aerial shots. But what about the quality of the images? Well, the DJI Mini 4 Pro doesn't disappoint. The images it captures are crisp, clear, and full of vibrant colors, making every shot look like a masterpiece. Now, having learned about its features, you can see why the DJI Mini 4 Pro is a game-changer. So, what's the bottom line about the DJI Mini 4 Pro? The DJI Mini 4 Pro is an advanced mini drone boasting impressive features. It's equipped with omnidirectional obstacle detection and the flagship DJI O4 video transmission technology. This means you can expect a stable, high-quality live feed from your drone. It's also compatible with DJI's latest remote controls, DJI 2 and DJI RCM2, which were first released with the new R3. This drone's image quality is superior, showing noticeable differences in brightness and color saturation that can be controlled with ND filters. However, it's worth noting that the DJI Mini 4 Pro's flight time doesn't surpass its less expensive predecessor, the Mini 3, which flies for 51 minutes. Purchasing the DJI Mini 4 Pro comes with its pros and cons. It offers advanced features but also comes with a higher price tag. Whether you're a professional drone user